What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you are having a lovely Friday. And regardless of news, it's a game of liquidation, right? So yesterday, obviously, Bitcoin was swinging some of the craziest price movements from $89,000 to about $84,900. And today, it produced one of the best ever candles off the back of this news, coming from a weaker yen after the rate hike. So everybody was expecting the rate hikes will strengthen the yen, after they raised to, rates by 25 basis points. However, what we saw, in fact, was the yen falling, and the market reaction was muted as the rate hike was anticipated. And I'm talking about with speculators already holding long positions in yen. So as far as yen is concerned, underwhelming. And of course, the fear is now out of the market in the short term because Bitcoin has reacted to it. Weaker yen means people continue to hold their position. Bitcoin right now rallying tremendously to $88,000, but we are part of a bigger bear flag and downtrend that we need to be careful about. Claim above, at least in the short term, above $90,000, and in the long term, of course, get out of this downtrend here and get above a probably $96,000 is a key resistance area. Now, I did see this coming, and in a previous video about 4 or 5 days ago, I said, guys, the Bank of Japan news is old news. It was out for 3 weeks circulating in the market, and we did actually, when the BoJ came out, it was exactly here around November 30th, and we did have a massive dip in the market. And that allowed me to sort of visualize and think the market could potentially price this in. Listen to this. All this price action here was possibly around the time during the announcement by the Bank of Japan. So the market pricing in it was one of the theses that I had. And of course, could we get a Santa rally to $100,000? I think this is where the real trap is going to occur. For now, crypto top 100, if you look at top projects here, all of them have moved, but still caution weekly. There's a daily reaction here. ETH moving up nearly 4%, which is fantastic. Still under $3,000. Still need to be very careful because markets have low volume, low liquidity, no traps at all right now, especially with leverage. Leverage is the scourge of the market, but I'm going to enjoy a little pump. Not the fact that it's obviously a massive pump here, but just for the fact that if we do get a dead cat bounce above a key level, I would be able to consolidate, of course, and we will have that tactics in the Discord. But for now, guys, it is exactly what I said it was going to be. A lot of crypto bros jumped into the news yesterday, potentially to drive more fear into the market. But for now, we are where we are. And of course, like I said, there are some key levels for you to consider. Crypto doesn't really fully turn bullish off the back of a daily candle. Mass liquidity is needed, of course, to lift Bitcoin. And currently, fundamentally, we still have risk to the downside, as you can see here, below $80,000. So stay safe out there. It is the weekend, and any gains that are made should be taken off the table, especially if you're leveraging. Otherwise, this market is going to be very unreliable. But we have got out of another potentially a major situation with the BoJ at the start of the week. CPI, PMI, of course, NFP, and this was the last event to close this week and to close 2025. So have a lovely Christmas. Anyway, we're going to continue to talk about, I'm going to continue to bring you content. Smash it, share it, whatever you want to do with it. You know what to do, guys. Take care.